Here are 3 great ways to serve cucumbers. 2 are Asian-inspired recipes, and 1 you probably have seen before. Have your cutting board ready, and let's start. For this recipe, you can use any type of cucumbers. English, Belgian cucumbers all work well with this recipe. What you need to do is cut your cucumbers into slices, round slices. You can either use a knife or a mandolin. The choice is yours. I prefer the mandolin, it's quicker and gives you an even shape. But if your knife skills are good, you can definitely go with the knife. Start by cutting off the ends of the cucumber. To create the initial flat surface you need for the mandolin cut. Once you have enough cucumber to fill up your container, you can start making the sauce. Set your cucumbers aside. Get big enough container for the cucumbers and the sauce to be shaken in. If you don't have a container that you can shake the cucumbers in, it's okay. Add them to the bowl, drizzle the sauce, and you can toast the cucumbers. For this first recipe, we need another ingredient: scallions. Cut the scallions into round pieces. All of the scallion, the white part and the green part. Coming back into the container, we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of rice vinegar, which is about 100 milliliters, a tablespoon of soy sauce, good quality soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame seed oil, about also a tablespoon of honey, freshly grated garlic, about 2 cloves, and about 1 teaspoon of ginger, freshly grated ginger. Finally, about a tablespoon of sesame seed. To that container, we're gonna add the cucumbers, followed by the scallion. Then we're gonna shake that container to make sure all the cucumbers are covered. This step is very important. Taste and adjust seasoning. I noticed that it needed more salt, so I added salt. Cover and give it another shake. Make sure it tastes great. And now you're ready to serve. For the next recipe, you need to get the chopping board, and instead of scallions, we need to cut white onions. Cut your onions into cubes. Set your onions aside. Get your container for the sauce. To the container, add in a tablespoon of gochujang paste, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of sesame seed oil, a tablespoon of sugar, white granulated sugar, a tablespoon of sesame seed. Mix all those ingredients together until the sugar has dissolved. And now you're ready to add in the cucumbers. Followed by the onions. Then mix all those ingredients together. Taste and adjust the seasoning. In my opinion, it needed more salt, so I added it. Close it and give it another shake. Taste to make sure that everything is okay. And now you're ready to serve. One quick cleanup later. We're ready to bring in the chopping board for the last recipe. This time we will chop red onions. And some dill. Chop it as finely as possible without the stem. Set your onions and dill aside and get the container ready. You'll need to grate in about 3 cloves of garlic. Then add in a juice of 1 large lemon. Followed by some Greek yogurt. You can use regular Greek yogurt or low-fat Greek yogurt. Mix all those ingredients in Then you can add the cucumbers. Followed by the red onions. Finally, the chopped dill. This one will be quite difficult to shake, but you can actually do it. Close the lid and mix all those ingredients together. Same as before, taste and adjust the seasoning. This is the only recipe that you can adjust with salt and pepper. That was our 3 exciting ways to serve cucumbers. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing the videos with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.